In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start your very own Shopify store with their free trial. If you've been considering launching an online shop, this is a fantastic way to dip your toes into e-commerce without any upfront commitment. And don't worry, I'll guide you through each step meticulously. To kick things off, head over to the Shopify free trial page. It's as easy as opening your browser and typing in Shopify trial page into your search engine. Alternatively, you can go directly to the URL if you already know it. As the page loads, take a moment to explore. It's always good to know what options are available for trying Shopify without any risk. Once you're ready, you'll notice a section where you need to enter your email address. This is crucial as it's how Shopify will communicate with you, so make sure you use an active email that you check regularly. Type your email into the box provided. Simple, right? The next step is creating your Shopify account. Take a few seconds to fill in your chosen password and store name. Remember, your store name is important as it'll be a significant part of your brand identity moving forward. Once those details are entered, go ahead and click Create Your Store. However, if you've ventured into Shopify before and already have an account, just scroll down to the login area and enter your existing credentials. As you proceed, Shopify will prompt you with some setup questions. They might ask for personal information, including credit card or PayPal details, but remember, you're on a free trial for 3 days, and Shopify often provides offers like 3 months for just $1. So you can skip adding these payment details initially. Stay focused on the brief questions about your business. Are you already selling? What's your product focus? And a few other basics. These questions help tailor your Shopify experience to suit your needs. Once you've made your way through those questions, you'll find yourself in the Shopify admin dashboard. This will be your command center where you can manage everything from products to themes and even customize your store settings. Familiarize yourself with the layout. Explore the different sections like home, orders, products, and online store. This is your workspace now. When you're nearing the end of your free trial and ready to start selling, setting up payments is your next move. Head over to Settings, then Payments, and choose your preferred payment provider, be it Shopify Payments, PayPal, or another option. Before going live, remember to select a paid plan to ensure continued access after your trial period ends. Keep an eye on Shopify's current offers. There might be a great deal waiting for you. And there you have it. You're officially on a Shopify trial. Dive into your dashboard, start adding products, and perfect your store setup. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.